guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another home workout video. I got two different requests. One asked me to do a video using my waist trainer, and another one asked me if I could do another home workout video. So there it is. The only tool we're going to use here today is going to be a ball. The one I have today, I got it from HomeGoods / TJ Maxx, but you could find it either Marshall's, maybe Target, Walmart, or any local store, or you could go to Amazon and get your ball. Mine is totally different. It has little sand to make it weight. So let me just show you guys. Can you hear that? It's like sand, and I think it sounds like sand inside to make it heavy, but they do have, you know, balls like this without weight. So yeah, and the waist trainer, I am wearing my waist trainer, is from Bunny Curve. I will put all the links. If I find it, I will put the link in the bottom below so you guys could check it out. If not, you could always if not, you could always look in your local store and find something similar to this one. Alright guys, so let's just get started.